And step number 2. That's going to take you over to Google News, which is a news aggregator service developed by Google. Now moving on to step number 3. Every couple of hours, these news will update, and new articles will take place on specific topic, which in this case, that's going to be business. So as you can see, this is the entire article that you can use to make money, which I will be explaining exactly how. Now moving on to step number 4, all you need to do is go over to Quillbot.com. Quillbot.com is a free online tool that will rewrite those articles professionally for you. Now moving on to step number 5, there are 2 different ways you can make money with those rephrased articles. The first one is not going to make you that much, but the second one can make you thousands of dollars. In fact, this platform will pay you for writing those articles. Now of course, you won't have to write those articles yourself, because as I just showed you, you can get them written for you for absolutely free with one click of a button by using a simple Google trick to make money online. This method is really simple, and it's absolutely free. The best part is it works all over the world. Now if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover how to earn $100 per hour.